ఉండేటట్టు చూసుకోవాలండి. సో bring outside 2. Now 2 times of x square minus x plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay, coefficient of x square is plus 1. Next coefficient of x minus 1. Coefficient of x ఏం చేయాలండి? 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి. minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. Adding plus 1 by 4, subtract minus 1 by 4. Now 5 by 2 integrate 1 by 2x square, 2 times of x square minus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 dx. Now 3 by 4 log of 2x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 5 by 2 into, it is a perfect square. X square minus x plus 1 by 4 is a perfect square. Which square? This one? X minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now integral 1 by 2 times of, so 1 by 5 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2, 5 by 2 into 1 by 2, 5 by 4. Now x minus 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 4, LCM is 4, 4 1 is 4, minus 1, here 3, minus 1, 2 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 5 by 4, plus 5 by 4, dx. This will be 3 by 4 log of 2x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 5 by 4. Can you observe it is in the form of x square plus a square, 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This one is x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus the root 5 by 2 whole square. Exactly the denominator, a square plus x square, 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now 1 by a, here a is root 5 by 2, now root 2 by root 5, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, here x is x minus 1 by 2 by a root 5 by 2 plus c. So final one is 3 by 4 log of 2x square minus 2x plus 3, 2 1s are 2 2s are root 5 times. So square root of 5, how many times 5? Square root of 5 times. Now square root of 5 by 2, tan inverse, take LCM 2, now 2x minus 1 by root 5 plus 3. This is the final answer. Next one, integral x plus 1 into square root of 1 minus x square dx. This one is the linear into square root of quadratic. What is the working method? Linear equal x plus 1 equals lambda into derivative of quadratic. So derivative of constant 0 minus 1 minus 2x plus mu. Compare coefficients, coefficient of x. Now coefficient of x, left hand side is 1, right hand side is a minus lambda. Now lambda equals, compare coefficient of x. So left hand side 1, right hand side is minus 2 lambda. Now lambda equals minus 1 by 2. Next, compare constants. Left hand side constant 1, right hand side constant is minus lambda plus mu. Here lambda, what is the value of here lambda? Value of lambda is minus 1 by 2. Lambda is minus 1 by 2. Minus of minus plus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. Here mu equals 1 by 2. Lambda equals minus 1 by 2. Mu equals 1 by 2. Now integral x plus 1. What is x plus 1? Lambda times of here. Lambda is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 times of minus 1 minus 2x plus mu. Mu is 1 by 2. Into square root of 1 minus x square dx. Now integral minus 1 by 2 is the constant. Bring outside. Minus 1 by 2. Now minus 1 minus 2x into square root of 1 minus x square dx plus 1 by 2 times the integral square root of 1 minus x square dx. Now minus 1 by 2 integral f dash x into square root of f of x. F dash x into square root of f of x. What's the formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This one f of x whole power 1 by 2. This one is f dash x. Now integral f of x whole power n f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now f of x is 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Now plus 1 by 2 into integral square root of. One thing, we have to write enter this in the form of x square minus a square or a square minus x square or a square plus x square. Coefficient of x square must be positive 1. Yes or no? On perfect squares రాయాలంటే coefficient of x square maximum positive 1 ఉంటే ఈజీ అయిపోతుందండి. So here a coefficient of x square is minus 1. So minus of square root of minus of x square plus x minus 1. It is step 1. Step 2, coefficient of x divided by 2, then make it square. Now coefficient of x is 1 divided by 2. Coefficient of x ని 1 ని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలండి. వచ్చిన వాల్యూని ఏం చేయాలి? స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి. సో 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4. Adding 1 by 4, subtract 1 by 4. Now minus of x square plus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 integral square root of minus of, this one is a perfect square, that is x plus 1 by 2 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now minus 5 by 4 dx. 1 by 2 integral square root of multiplied by minus root 5 by 2 whole square minus of x plus 1 by 2 whole square dx. This result is square root of a square minus x square. Square root of a square minus x square formula x by 2, x plus 1 by 2, that is x plus 1 by 2, x by 2, square root of a square minus x square, root 5 by 2 whole square minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square, x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2. Here a is root 5 by 2 whole square. Now 5 by 4 by 2. A square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x. What is x here? X plus 1 by 2 by a. A is root 5 by 2 plus c. So substitute here. 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 into square root of 5 by 4 minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 8. Yes, okay. 5 by 8 sin inverse 2x plus 1 by root 5 plus c. Before this one is minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3, 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2. This is the final answer. Next, type 3, third model. We are going to discuss the type 3 model. Integral ax square plus bx plus c by px square plus qx plus r. Integral ax square plus bx plus c by square root of px square plus qx plus r. Integral ax square plus bx plus c square root of px square plus qx plus r. So it is a quadratic by quadratic, quadratic by square root of quadratic, quadratic into square root of quadratic. Previous problems are linear by linear, linear by square root of linear, linear into square root of linear. Next, linear by quadratic, linear by square root of quadratic, linear into square root of quadratic. But in this case, both the functions quadratic. So quadratic by quadratic, quadratic by square root of quadratic, quadratic into square root of quadratic. Now integral quadratic 1 by square root of quadratic 2 dx. Integral quadratic 1 by quadratic 2 dx. Integral quadratic 1 by square root of quadratic 2 dx. Integral quadratic 1 into square root of quadratic 2 dx. For all three, working method is quadratic 1 equals lambda into quadratic 2 plus mu into derivative of quadratic 2 plus gamma. That's gamma. Quadratic 1 equals lambda into quadratic 2 plus mu into derivative of quadratic 2 plus gamma. Quadratic 1 ax square plus bx plus c equals lambda times of quadratic 2. Now px square plus qx plus gamma r plus mu into derivative of quadratic 2. Okay, derivative of quadratic 2. What is derivative of quadratic 2? Px square 2px plus q plus r. Now ax square plus bx plus c equals coefficient of p. Okay, no problem with here. Compare coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, and compare constants. This is the working method. Next question. Integral 4x square plus 3x plus 5 by 3x square plus 5x minus 4 dx. It is a quadratic by quadratic. Now integral quadratic 1 by quadratic 2 or integral quadratic 1 by square root of quadratic 2, integral quadratic 1 into square root of quadratic 2. Now what is the working method? Now quadratic 1 equals lambda into quadratic 2 plus mu into derivative of quadratic 2 plus gamma. It is a working method. Now 4x square quadratic 1, 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equals lambda into quadratic 2, 3x square plus 5x minus 4 plus mu into derivative of quadratic 2. What is derivative of this one? 6x plus 5 plus gamma. 6x plus 5 gamma. Now compare coefficient of x square. Compare coefficient of x square. Now left hand side coefficient of x square 4, right hand side coefficient of x square 3 lambda. 3 lambda. Okay. Now lambda equals 4 by 3. Next, coefficient of x. Left hand side is 3, right hand coefficient of x 5 lambda here plus 6 mu. This will be 3 equals to 5 lambda, 5 into 4 by 3, 20 by 3 plus 6 mu. Now mu equal to 6 mu equal to 3 minus 20 by 3 minus 11 by 3. Now mu equal to minus 11 by 18. Next, constant. Compare constants. Left hand side 5, right hand side constant is minus 4 lambda. Your constant is 5 mu plus gamma. 5 equals to minus 4 into lambda. What is lambda? 4 by 3. 4 into 4, 16 by 3. 5 into mu minus 55 by 18 plus gamma. Now 5 equal to LCM 18. Okay, taking LCM 18, 3 6 6 6 36, 3 96 minus 96 minus 55 plus gamma. Now 5 equal to minus 1, 5 plus 6 1 115, 151 by 18. Now 3 6 so sum of this is 7, not divisible by 3, 18 minus 51 by plus gamma. Now gamma equal to 5 plus 151 by 18. Now gamma equal to taking LCM 18, 5 into 18, 90, 90 plus 151, 241, 241 by 18. Okay, now integral, what is numerator? What is the numerator? Lambda times here. Lambda is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 times of 3x square plus 5x minus 4 plus mu minus 11 by 18. Minus 11 by 18 times of 6x plus 5 plus gamma is minus plus 241. 241 by 18. Now divided by 3x square plus 5x minus 4 dx. Integral 4 by 3 is the constant to bring outside. 3x square plus 5x minus 4 by 3x square plus 5x minus 4 cancel out. 1 into dx minus 18 minus 11 by 18 integral 6x plus 5 by 3x square plus 5x minus 4 plus 241 dx plus 241 by 18 integral 1 by 3x square plus 5x minus 4 dx. Now 4 by 3 into integral 1 dx, that is x, minus 11 by 18. Here denominator is f of x, numerator is f dash x. Integral f dash x by f of x equal to log of f of x. Now log of f of x, here f of x is 3x square plus 5x minus 4 plus 241 by 18 integral 1 by, we have to convert to 3x square plus 5x minus 4 in the form of a square minus x square or x square minus a square or a square plus x square, bring outside 3. Coefficient of x square always positive 1. 3 times of x square plus 5 by 3x minus 4 by 3. Next, coefficient of x 5 by 3. 5 by 3 names are and divided by 2. So this will be 5 by 6. Square చేయాలి, square చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి? Square on this 5 square 25 by 36. Adding 25 by 36, subtracting 25 by 36. Now 3 times of x square plus 5 by 3x plus 25 by 36 minus 25 by 36 minus 4 by 3 dx. Okay, this one similar. Plus 241 by 18 integral 1 by 3 times of, it is a perfect square, x plus 5 by 6 whole square. Bring outside 3, 3, 8 into 54. X plus 5 by 6 whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now minus, taking LCM 36, 25. 25 by 36 plus 4 by 3. LCM is 36. 25 plus 3, how many times? 12. 12 into 4, 48. Now 3, 73. 73 by 36. Okay, this one, square root of 23 by 36, that is 6 square. Square root of 73 by 6 whole square. It is in the form of 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square. So what's the formula? 1 by, there's no square root. Yes, 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Now 241 by 54 into 1 by 2a. What is a? Square root of 73 by 6. 1 by 2a log of x minus a. 7 square root of 73 by 6 by x plus 5 by 6 plus square root of 73 by 6 plus c. Before this one is 4 by 3x minus 11 by 8 log of 3x square plus 5x minus 4. Okay, this is the final answer. Next problem, integral 2x square plus 5x plus 4 by square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now quadratic by square root of quadratic. Integral quadratic 1 by square root of quadratic 2. What is the method? Quadratic 1 equals lambda into quadratic 2 plus mu into derivative of quadratic 2 plus gamma. It is working method. Now 2x square plus 5x plus 4 equals now 2x square plus 5x plus 4 equals lambda into quadratic 2 x square plus x plus 1 plus mu into derivative of quadratic 2x plus 1 plus gamma. Coefficient of x square, left hand side 2, right hand side lambda, only lambda. Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square, left hand side 2, right hand side only lambda. Lambda equal to 2. Next, coefficient of x. Compare coefficient of x. Left hand side is 5, right hand side coefficient of x lambda plus 2 mu. Now lambda here, lambda equal to 5 minus 2, 3, mu equal to 3 by 2. Now compare constants. Left hand side is 4, right hand side lambda plus mu plus gamma. Now gamma equals lambda is 2, 4 minus 2, 2. Now 2 minus 3 by 2, this will be 1 by 2. Gamma equal to 1 by 2, mu equal to 3 by 2, lambda equal to 2. Now integral 2x square minus 2x square plus 5x plus 4 equal to this one. Now lambda is 2. 2 times of x square plus x plus 1 plus mu. Here mu is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 times of 2x plus 1 plus gamma. Gamma is 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Just 1 by 2. By square root of quadratic 2 x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now to bring outside 2 times of integral x square plus x plus 1 by square root of x square plus x plus 1. Now square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx plus 3 by 2 integral 2x plus 1 by square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 integral square root of 1 by 1 by square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, so we have to convert this one in the form of a square plus x square or a square minus x square or x square minus a square. Now 2 times of integral. Now x coefficient is 1. Coefficient of x ని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలంటే వచ్చిన వాల్యూని స్క్వేర్ చేసి యాడ్ చేయాలి, సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x here 1. 1 divided by 2 of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4. Square root of x square plus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 dx plus 3 by 2. This one is f dash x. This one is the square root of f of x. Integral f dash x by square root of f of x equals 2 root f of x into 2 root f of x. What f of x here? X square plus x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 integral 1 by square root of these two are same functions, x square plus x plus 1. Now this one is 2 times of integral x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus minus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 3 by 4 2 3 by 2 whole square dx plus 2 to cancel. The 3 times of square root of x square plus x plus 1 equal plus 1 by 2 integral. Here denominator is x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square dx. Same as it is this one. Now 2 times of integral square root of x square plus a square, square root of x square plus a square. Now integral square root of a square plus x square, x by 2 square root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus square root of a square plus x square. This is a formula. Now 2 times of x by 2, here x is x plus 1 by 2. Now x by 2 square root of a square plus x square. Now x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 4 plus a square by 2. Here a is root 3 by 2 whole square 3 by 4, 3 by 4 by 2 3 by 8. Now log of x, here x is x plus 1 by x plus square root of log of x plus square root of a square plus x square. Here x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 4 plus 3 times of 3 times of square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus now of 1 by 2 into square root of integral 1 by square root of x square plus a square, 1 by square root of x square plus a square log of x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2, that is x plus square root of a square square root of x square plus a square. So log of x plus square root of x square plus a square, x by x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 4 plus this is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. I hope you are understanding. Now final simplification, taking LCM 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, 2x plus 1 by 2 square root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. This one is x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 plus 2 into 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4, sorry, 2 into 3 by 8, that is 3 by 4, log of x plus 1 by x, that is 2x plus 1 by 2 plus the square root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 plus 3 times of square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 log of x plus 1 by x plus the square root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 plus c. One point, square root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. This one is square root of x square plus x plus 1. Yes or no? So square root of x square plus x plus 1. This place value is square root of x square plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, this is the final answer. After substitution. Next one important concept, type 4. Okay, next we are going to discuss type 4 concept. Integral 1 by ax plus b. Integral 1 by ax plus b square root of cx plus d. Linear and linear, both are available in the denominator. Ax plus b linear, square root of linear. Now under square root cx plus d, put cx plus d equal to t square. Now this one also denominator function into square root of function cx plus d. Under square root linear, outside square root is the quadratic. Its integral 1 by quadratic into linear. In this case also cx plus d equal to t square. In both the cases the same. These two models, put cx plus d, that is under square root cx plus d equal to t square. 1 by linear into linear 1 into square root of linear 2. 1 by quadratic into square root of linear. In both the cases cx plus d under square root value equal to t square. Next 3 and 4. Here, what is the difference between 2 and 3? In the 2, under square root linear. Here in case 3, under square root is the quadratic. Linear into square root of quadratic. Here quadratic into square root of linear. Quadratic into square root of linear, in this case cx plus d, linear equal to t square. Here linear into square root of quadratic, in this case here also linear equal to ax plus b equal to 1 by t. Okay, well, compare cheste first point, linear into square root of linear, so cx plus d equal to t square. Quadratic into square root of linear, under square root linear value equal to t square. Here linear into square root of quadratic, here also linear equal to 1 by t. Here మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనం ఏం తీసుకుంటామండి, లీనియర్ ఫంక్షన్, ఇక్కడ కూడా లీనియర్ ఫంక్షన్ t square, లీనియర్ ఫంక్షన్ t square, లీనియర్ ఫంక్షన్ 1 by t. So different cases. First case linear into square root of linear, second case quadratic into square root of linear. Here 1 by linear into square root of quadratic. Now linear equal to 1 by t. In this case both are linear, so both are quadratic. First one is quadratic into square root of quadratic 2, quadratic 1 into square root of quadratic 2. In this case put x equal to 1 by t, put x equal to 1 by t. Put x equal 1 by t చేసిన తర్వాత ప్రాబ్లం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఈ వేలో వస్తుందండి, a plus bt square minus t dt by, put x equal 1 by t, 1 by t సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ ఇలా వస్తుంది రిజల్ట్ మనకి, a plus bt square square root of c plus dt square వస్తుంది. Now then we will take under square root quadratic c plus dt square equal to u square. Is a point. 1 by quadratic 1 into square root of quadratic 2. In this model is put x equal to 1 by t. మనం డెరివేటివ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ సమ్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది మనకి. ఈ వచ్చే వాల్యూస్ మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమొస్తుందండి, ఇంటిగ్రల్ మైనస్ t dt by a plus bt square into square root of c plus dt square. Then we put c plus dt square equal to u square. It means under square root quadratic equal to u square. So just memorize it, all the four concepts, all the four important concepts. Okay, I will repeat again. 1 by linear into square root of linear equal to under square root linear equal to t square. Integral 1 by quadratic into linear, quadratic into square root of linear, again under square root linear equal to t square. 1 by linear into square root of quadratic, in this case also linear equal to 1 by t. Integral 1 by quadratic into square root of quadratic, here both are quadratic, put x equal to t. After simplify which, then result we get the result integral this one, and again under square root of c plus dt square equal to u square. మనం ఆల్రెడీ టీ స్క్వేర్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే అగైన్ టీ స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాము, అందుకే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ సి ప్లస్ dt స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు యూ స్క్వేర్ ఆర్ పీ స్క్వేర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యు విష్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. Next problem, integral 1 by x plus 1 square root of x square minus 1. 1 by linear into square root of quadratic. 1 by linear into square root of quadratic. Here linear equal to 1 by t. Put linear equal to 1 by t. Here x plus 1 equal to 1 by t. dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Derivative of 1 by t minus 1 by t square. Now integral 1 by x plus 1, what x plus 1? 1 by t. X square, here x equal to 1 by t minus 1. 1 by t minus 1 whole square minus 1. dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Now integral minus 1 by t square dt by, now 1 by t into a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2b minus 2 by t plus 1 okay sorry minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out. Now integral minus 1 by t square dt by 1 by t into taking LCM t square. Now 1 minus 2t, numerator is 1 minus 2t. Okay, t square cancelled out. Okay, sorry, this one is square root of x square minus 1. So this one is square root of x square minus 1. Square root of x square minus 1. Square root of x square minus 1. Okay, right. Now t square. Now integral minus 1 by t square dt by 1 by t, square root of t square is t. 1 by t into 1 by t, 1 by t square. 1 by t square. Square root of 1 minus 2t dt. Here 1 by t square cancelled out. Minus of integral 1 minus 2t whole power minus 1 by 2 dt. Minus of x power n, integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now 1 minus 2t whole power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, derivative of, sorry. So now derivative of 1 minus 2t. What is the derivative of 1 minus 2t? Derivative of constant 0, derivative of minus 2t is minus 2. So divided by minus 2 plus c. Now final answer is minus of minus plus. This one is 2 by 1, 2 cancelled. Now 1 minus 2t whole power 1 by 2 plus c. What is the t in terms of x? Here t equals 1 minus 2 into, what is the value of t? 1 by x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. That is a 2 by x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. After simplify it, taking LCM x plus 1, numerator x plus 1 minus 2, that is x minus 1 square root of whole power 1 by 2 square root of plus c. This is the final answer. Okay, actually square root మనం నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేసాం, చూసుకోలేదండి, సారీ. దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ద స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1. నేను ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1 టాలీ చేశాను, అందువల్ల మనకు ప్రాబ్లం మిస్టేక్ అయింది. This one is the square root of x square minus 1. Square root of x. Here x equals 1 by t minus 1. What is the right answer? Next one, integral 1 by 2x minus 1 square root of x square plus x plus 3. This one 1 by linear into square root of quadratic. 1 by linear into square root of quadratic. Put ax plus b, that is put linear equal to 1 by t. Yeah, linear equal to 1 by t. Now linear 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by t. Derivative with respect to x, 2 dx equals minus 1 by t square dt. Now integral dx equals minus 1 by 2 t square dt by 2x minus 1, that is 1 by t. Now square root of x square, here x equals 2x equals 1 plus 1 by t. 2x equals t plus 1 by t. Now x equals t plus 1 by 2t. Now x square, what is x square? T plus 1 by 2t whole square plus x. T plus 1 by 2t plus 3. Integral minus 1 by 2t square dt by 1 by t square root of, here LCM is 4t square. What is LCM? 4t square, 2t whole square, 4t square. Now t plus 1 whole square, t square plus 1 plus 2t. 2t, how many times 4t square? 2t into 2t. 2t times 2t into t plus 1 plus 2t square. 2t into t plus 1. 2t square plus 2t into 1, 2t plus the denominator is 1. So 3 into 4t square. That is a 12t square. Now integral minus 1 by 2t square dt by 1 by t square root of, bring outside 1 by 4t square. Now that is 1 by 2t. 4 square root of 4t square. Square root of 4 into t square is 2t whole square. So no, square root of 2t whole square, that is 2t. 2t into 2t into t, 2t square. Okay, 1 by 2t square. Square root of t square, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus, okay, 15t square. 2t, 2t, 4t plus 4t. Constant 1, only constant is 1 plus 1. 1 by 2t square, 1 by 2t square cancelled out. Minus of integral dt by square root of, one important point, under square root 15t square plus 4t plus 1. We have to write in the form of a square plus x square, or a square minus x square, or x square minus a square. Coefficient of 15 always plus 1. Bring outside 15. Yes or no? Bring outside 15. 15 times of t square plus 4 by 15t plus 1 by 15. Now minus of integral dt by square root of 15 times t square plus 4 by 15t. Here coefficient of t, what coefficient of t? 4 by 15. For coefficient of x ni 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలండి. 2 తో డివైడ్ చేసి వచ్చే వాల్యూని స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి. సో యాడ్ చేసి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are. This will be 2 by 15. 2 by 15 whole square. That is a 4 by 225. So plus 4 by 225 minus 4 by 225. plus 4 by 225 minus 4 by 225 plus 1 by 15. Minus of dt by integral dt by square root of 15 into this one is perfect square t plus 2 by 15 whole square a plus b whole square a square b square plus 2ab. Now taking LCM plus 1 by 15. Okay, taking LCM 225. 15 ones are 1, 225 ones are 4 minus 4, 15 15 plus 15 minus plus 11 by 225. Now minus of integral dt by square root of 15 bring outside. Now square root of t plus 2 by 15 whole square plus 11 by 15 square root of 11 by 15 whole square. So minus 1 by square root of 15 bring outside. 1 by square root of x square plus a square. 1 by square root of x square plus a square equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. Integral 1 by square root of a square plus x square equal to log of x plus square root of a square plus x square. That is the formula. Now log of x, what is here? T plus 2 by 15 x plus square root of x square plus a square t plus 2 by 15 whole square plus root 11 by 15 whole square. Okay, what's the formula? Log of x plus square root of log of x plus log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. This is the formula. What is the t in terms of x? Here 2x minus 1 equal to t. So now minus 1 by square root of 15 log of here t equals to 2x minus 1 plus 2 by 15 plus square root of 2x minus 1 plus 2 by 15 whole square plus 11 by 225 plus c. For the simplification, taking this to sum of these two, okay, it is the final answer. Okay, sorry, here 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by t. Sorry, here 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by t, not t. Here t equal to 1 by 2x minus 1 plus 2 by root 15 plus square root of t. Here t equal to 1 by 2x minus 1 plus 2 by 15 whole square plus square root of 11 by 15 whole square, that is 11 by 225 plus c. This is the final answer. Very important point. 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by t, not t. So it is the final answer. Next problem, integral dx by x minus 3 square root of x plus 1. 1 by linear 1 into square root of linear 2. 1 by linear 1 into square root of linear 2. Then put linear 2 equal to t square under square root cx plus d. Cx plus d equal to t square. Now here x plus 1 equal to t square. Derivative with respect to x. Dx, derivative of x is 1 into dx equal to t square 2t dt. Now integral dx equal to 2t dt by x minus 3 here x equal t square minus 1, t square minus 1 plus, sorry, t square minus 1 minus 3 square root of x plus 1 t square into t. T cancelled out. Now integral 2 constant bring outside 1 by t square minus 4 dt. It is 1 by x square minus a square. Integral 1 by x square minus a square 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Now 2 into 1 by 2a t square minus 2 square, t square minus 2 square, t square minus x square minus a square, a equal to 1 by 2a, 2 into 2, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a, x plus a plus c. Okay, 2 one time cancelled, 1 by 2 log of t in terms of x, t equals to square root of x plus 1 minus 4 by square root of x plus 1 plus 4 plus c. This is the final answer. Okay, here log of x minus a by x plus a. Here t square minus 2 square, a is 2, t minus 2, x minus a by x plus a. Now x minus 2 by x plus 2. This is the final answer. Next one, if integral dx by 1 plus x square square root of 1 minus x square equal to f of x and f of 1 equal to 0, then for x greater than 0 find f of x. This one is 1 by integral 1 by quadratic 1 into square root of quadratic 2. Integral 1 by quadratic 1 into square root of quadratic 2. Put x equal to 1 by 2. X value 1 by 2. So put x equal to 1 by t. X value 1 by 2 మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన తర్వాత in terms of t dt లో వస్తుందండి. Then under square value equal to u square. చెప్పుకున్నాం కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు x ఈక్వల్ 1 బై టీ స్క్వేర్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుందంటే అండర్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ లో క్వాడ్రాటిక్ వస్తుంది. దాన్ని ఏమనుకోవాలి, ఈక్వల్ టు యూ స్క్వేర్ అనుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ యూ స్క్వేర్ తీసుకోవాలండి, చూద్దాం ప్రాబ్లం. నౌ x ఈక్వల్ టు 1 బై t. Now dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Now dx is minus 1 by t square dt by 1 plus x square 1 by t square square root of 1 minus x square 1 by here x equal 1 by t, x equal 1 by t square integral minus 1 by t square dt by LCM t square. Now numerator t square plus 1 square root of t square minus 1 t square minus 1 by square root of t square. Square root of t square is t. Here t square cancelled out. Now integral minus t dt by t square plus 1 into t square minus 1. Important point, after substitute x equal to 1 by t, we get integral minus t dt by a t square plus b into square root of a plus bt square into square root of c plus dt square. Now put c plus dt square equal to u square. This is the key point. Put a square root of quadratic equal to u square. Now t square minus 1 under square root t square minus 1 equal to u square. Derivative with respect to t, 2t dt equal to 2u du. 2 cancelled out. Now integral here integral t minus bring outside minus t equal to square root of u square plus 1 square root of u square plus 1 numerator by t square equal to u square plus 1 into square root of t square minus 1, t square minus u square, that is only u. Here, okay, sorry, t into dt equal to, here t into dt equal to u into du, u into du. Now minus of t into dt equal to u into du, denominator t square square root of t square minus 1, that is the square root of u square u, t square plus 1, t square plus 1 equal to, now t square equal to u plus u square plus 1, u square plus 1 plus 1, u square plus 2 into u cancelled out. This will be minus of integral 1 by u square plus root 2 whole square du. Can be observed it is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by integral 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now minus of tan 1 by a, 1 by root 2, here a equal to root 2, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, here x is u by x by a root 2 plus c. Now minus of 1 by root 2 tan inverse. Okay, what is the u in terms of t? Here u equals square root of t square minus 1 by root 2 plus c. Now final answer is minus of 1 by root 2 tan inverse. What is the t in terms of x? Here t equal to 1 by x. Now 1 by x square minus 1 by root 2 plus c. Okay. What is the question? F of 1 equal to 0. He given f of 1 equal to 0. So finally this one minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse square root of 1 minus x square by, so by x root 2 plus c, square root of 1 minus x square by x root 2. You given f of 1 equal to 0, f of 1 equal to 0. So this one is the f of x minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse, here x equal to 1, x equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 by 0 0, tan inverse 0, tan 0 0 plus c equal to 0. Now c equal to 0. Now what is f of x? This function is f of x. F of x equal to enter function. Now f of 1 equal to, f of 1 means put x equal to 1, minus 1 by root 2, here 1 minus 1 is 0, tan 0 is 0, minus 1 by root 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus c equal to 0, given f of 1 equal to 0, 0 plus c equal to 0, c will be 0. Now finally therefore f of x equal to minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse square root of 1 minus x square by root 2x. See here c is the 0. This is the final answer.